Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says collaborative partnerships is the surest way to delivering significant infrastructural projects in the oil-rich Niger Delta region. Dr. Ogbuku made this known last week at the commissioning of the 25.7-kilometer Ogbia Nembe Road and bridges in Bayelsa State. The project was constructed through a partnership between the NDDC and Shell Petroleum Development Company, SPDC. The NDDC helmsman used the occasion to call on Chevron Nigeria Limited and other international oil companies to collaborate with the intervention agency in building the Warri-Omadino-Escravos Road in Warri North Local Government Area of Delta State.
Residents of Ogbia, Nembe and its surroundings could not hide their joy as they turned out en masse to celebrate the commissioning of the 25.7-kilometer Ogbia Emekalaka Akipeliai Itiama Nembe Road. Prior to the construction of the road, the only means of transportation for the people of these areas was by boats through the thick swamps and mangrove forests amidst the dangers of boat mishaps and sea pirates. The road project, which was awarded in December 2005, was executed with the revised budget of 24.4 billion naira. It comprises 7 bridges, 53 culverts and 4 spurs linking 14 communities. After 19 years, the successful completion of the road has significantly boosted the socio-economic development of communities in the area, as well as reduced travel time within the communities. Members of the various communities who are now connected by road hailed the Niger Delta Development Commission for making their dreams come through.
Previously, we cannot go to Nembe through road transportation. We would follow our boats, our flying boats and our local boats that we have, but by the grace of God and the help of NDDC, today we have a good road.
Because of the road, the accessibility, we can travel even late, 11 in the night. Those are the real benefits.
If I must say, if government has really done something meaningful that has impacted on the lives of people, this road is #1.
In their separate remarks, the Managing Director of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, and the Managing Director of Shell Petroleum Development Company, SPDC, Mr. Osage Okumbo, both described the Ogbia Nembe Road as a testament to what can be achieved through meaningful collaborative partnership. Dr. Ogbuku used the opportunity of the road commissioning to call on Chevron and other international oil companies to partner with the Commission for the construction of the Warri-Omadino-Escravos Road in the Warri North Local Government Area of Delta State.
I want to use this opportunity to also appeal to state governors and other agencies that NDDC is open to any form of partnership that will benefit the people of the Niger Delta. We have been on the drawing board and on the negotiation table with Chevron Nigeria Limited on the construction of the Omadino-Escravos Road. We want to use this opportunity to tell Chevron that this is a proof that partnering with NDDC is possible.
One of the pioneers of the project and former managing director of the commission, Timi Alaibi, canvassed for more funding for the NDDC, stating that the Treasury Single Account TSA is a drawback to the expected development of the region. The governor of Bayelsa State, who was represented by his deputy, Senator Lawrence Ewurujakpo, appreciated the commitment of the NDDC in putting smiles on the faces of the people of Nembe, noting the contribution of the state government towards the actualization of the project.
The continuous relationship between us, Shell and NDDC, will not stop in only these projects. There are still other Malaman projects that are on our tickets.
Traditional ruler of Nembe Kingdom, King Edmond Dakoru, commended the collaborative partnership of the NDDC and SPDC, as well as other development partners, for achieving such a remarkable feat. Senators from the National Assembly, led by Senator Asuko Ekpenyong, chairman of the Senate Committee on NDDC, graced the occasion. He emphasized the need for continuity in the administration of the interventionist agency in order to cover more grounds. While chairperson, House Committee on NDDC, Honorable Eriatake Ibori Suenu, applauded the NDDC and SPDC for their valuable contribution thus far towards the growth of the region.
If the NDDC, as led by Dr. Samuel and the board chairman, Mr. Chiedu Ebie, continue with this process of closing out on the last mile of projects that may have been started by previous administrations, it would leapfrog the region.
I thank you all for bringing this huge project to life. The truth is that development starts with good road networks.
The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who was represented by the Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo, said the 25.7-kilometer road was a demonstration of the federal government's commitment to the development and peace of the oil-rich region.
The MD announced today that not even a fadi is being owned on this road. It's very unusual these days that you have a road like this completed and all the funds have been paid. And it's because the president is committed and we're all committed.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,